What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to a brand new video. It's your boy Sneakerhead in the Bay here, and as y'all could tell, we are outside. Mr. Dave Got Kicks is behind the camera right now for this unboxing.
Hello.
And we're gonna be taking a look at the lost and found Air Jordan 1s. Nice. So like I said, this is just a quick unboxing, and we're gonna be doing an official review in the next video, so make sure you guys are subscribed for that. Maybe you should unbox it.
No, you do it.
Come on, David Got Kicks.
I'm shy. Stop.
Come on.
I don't have a shirt on.
I'll PNG it.
PNG shirt.
PNG shirt.
Okay, fine. Only because you asked so nice.
David Got Kicks unboxing.
Wow, I haven't unboxed something in a while.
Dude, these are expensive.
Were they?
Yes.
But they're not even out yet, right?
They're not out yet.
So you had to pay that premium price to get them early.
I paid the premium price to do this video for the
you
viewers.
guys.
For the viewers.
That's love, dude.
So make sure you guys are subscribed to both of our channels.
Nah. No one does that nowadays, dude. No one buys shoes early and like reviews them, except a handful of people I could think of. All right, I'm gonna open it. What if I slice through the shoe?
F it, dude.
What if this was like a prank and there's like a
There's like a dead possum in there right now?
My biggest fear in here, and it's looking right at me. Oh.
Possum PNG.
Don't do that. I'm not gonna watch the video. I opened it upside down.
Okay, that's fine. Did you cut the box?
No, I didn't.
Oh, he didn't cut the box.
Yo, wait, is this an old pair? Why does it look like that?
It's a prank!
Ah! Oh. Okay. Right away, you can see the box. It's old. It's like vintage. Wow. That's cool. Wow. You can actually feel that.
Oh, you can. What the heck?
That's dope. So far, so good. I'm liking the box.
Dude, okay, if you look at the bottom, I noticed this when you opened it. It doesn't say Air Jordan or anything on the Wings logo. That's kind of interesting. This is literally our first time seeing this shoe, guys. So this is our initial reaction.
They ran out of ink.
For real. Or it's just fake. It's, fake. It's a fake pair.
Wait, where'd you get it from again? Don't put. Where'd you get it from?
I got it from Alibaba.
Oh no, I bought some pairs. They're pretty good.
The Travises are pretty good, but like these ones, I feel like it should have said the Air Jordan on it.
Just PNG.
PNG Air Jordan. Wait, hold on. Let's redo the scene.
Okay, redo it.
Wow, look at the Air Jordan Wings logo.
Okay, moment of truth.
Wait.
What?
Before we get this. Okay, if you're wondering where I got this pair from, I got it from Fine Line 1721. I did pay a premium for this. This pair goes for about $500-ish right now, and he's selling them for about $700. So your boy spent $700 to do this review. So if you guys want to hit him up, you want a pair early, go to Fine Line, or you just wait until November 19th to pick a pair up. That's all I want to say.
Wow, that's so far away. I'd rather pay that premium price and get
Hell no, dude. 700.
Here, just.
What? We're gonna get David's initial reaction of the shoe.
I'm nervous.
Don't do a fake reaction either. Like,
okay.
Honestly, my expectations are very low for this because I don't know. It's just.
I mean, shoes don't even get me off like they used to anymore. So I'm just.
I can't even get hard anymore, dude.
They're shoes, you know. I like how you match this. You knew.
That wasn't. That was not planned.
Okay, so let's just open this up.
Go ahead.
Okay, I'll let you guys take a look first. Oh!
Wait! Don't lose the receipt. Don't lose the receipt.
Is it in there?
Yes,
Oh!
sir.
That's cool. I've only seen photos of this from '86. I think Sandy Bros is related to Mario Bros, right?
I think it's like her cousin. Okay, well, I'll take this from you. The receipt feels legit.
Wait, you said you paid $700. It says here $29.99. You ready?
The paper's cool.
It is.
The paper's kind of cool.
It is. It's like newspaper kind of. Oh.
Oh gosh. Oh gosh, I feel like I'm in 1986 again.
Oh, I do too.
Oh my goodness.
Oh wow.
Holy hell. These are shit.
Yo, they're dirty already? Hold on. Wow. No, those are actually nice. They're interesting.
Okay. Okay.
Yo, is that shattered backward quality?
Guys, no shattered backward quality on this pair. Let's put all the paperwork back. By the way, guys, somebody's gonna win this pair for only $100. So make sure you guys are following me on Instagram at SneakerHeadInTheBay if you guys would like to figure out how to win this pair for $100. Let me just take a look at the shoe and soak everything in before I speak. Okay. All right. I feel bad. I feel bad for the people that paid $1,400 for this shoe.
Oh yeah.
That is a lot of money. I'm gonna keep it real. I'm gonna keep it a buck. Right off the bat, this is not a $700 shoe. This is definitely not a $700 shoe. Max I would pay for this, maybe, I wanna say 400, but 400 is a lot. Maybe 350, dude, honestly. This is a nice colorway, but the materials, it's kind of weird. Did you see the crack on this? Can they see the crack? You look at the crack. Like all this leather right here, it's gonna be interesting to see how it ages over time. Cause yeah, it's cracked leather, pre-cracked from the factory. And then even on the toe box, you guys see that? I don't know, am I being picky?
No.
I've seen too many of Air Jordan 1s, dude. I'm more of a bread one kind of guy. Maybe if it was a bread one. Before these dropped, the Chicagos were going for like, what, over 1,000?
Like 1,500.
1,500. And to be honest, that shoe is not worth 1,500 in my opinion. But it's cool that these are coming out and you'll have an alternative to get it for probably under $500, because that's where it's hidden on the aftermarket right now before the release, like about 2 weeks before it releases. So
what's the retail for these?
Retail price,
okay, don't look at the old vintage box.
$64.99. No. Here, you look, you'll see it if we peel this.
It's cool. I like how they made it look like it was a vintage shoe with like the cracking collar right here.
At what point though is the vintage look overdone? Because I feel like we've been doing the cream, we've been seeing a lot of aged sneakers.
And this looks like it was aged too.
Yeah, that's aged too, but like,
I can see people like aging the soles a lot more. Maybe adding some aging to this too. I don't know, this is weird. This is really like, it's really like puffy. 3D.
Yeah, it's really puffy. I don't know if you guys can see that on the Wings logo. Super puffy. Okay. I used to have a pair of 85 Chicago 1s. But they didn't have the leather like this. The leather that's all cracked and crinkled. But feel-wise, how are you feeling?
They feel very like slippery. Does that make sense? Like the material just, I don't know. I don't really like the shade.
The shade of red?
Yeah, I like the original ones with like just the red, bright red.
You think this is too dark?
Kinda. For me, yeah. Do you like this red or the bright red?
I need to see it side by side.
Oh, that's funny.
We're gonna wait for David to pull out his 94 pair and we'll just do a quick little comparison. That pair has been restored.
Has it?
I painted the red on it.
Oh, yeah. I could tell. Boom!
So 94s.
1994 Air Jordan 1s. Alex gifted me this pair last Christmas. Surprised. Great guy.
Now you guys can see it. Side by side comparison. I think the shape they did okay. But you see how these is more like, the toe box goes like this way more. And this one comes up. Oh, yeah. But that's just being picky. But I mean, it looks like a pretty solid shoe. Not $500 plus worth, but there you go. There's a little comparison for you guys. The red is more pungent on this one. it's more bussin' because again, this one has been restored, so I painted it with Angelus.
Damn, no wonder you gave them to me.
Yeah, I mean, when you guys see an Air Jordan, you know, it's pretty much the same stuff. This isn't as raised, as you can see. Not as raised as this one.
If you were to pick one, would you rather spend $1,500 on this pair or $1,500 on an older pair?
I think you could find an older pair for cheaper than $1,500.
It might need a little work.
An older pair. I'd rather have this. 500,000 pairs.
That's a lot.
That is a lot, but it's good because people are able to get what they want. I don't know, guys. I don't know. It does have the chalk on the bottom right here.
That's chalk, dude.
This is like the oxidation from sitting in the box. But yeah, this collar part is interesting. I don't know if I'm feeling it. These are cool. I would definitely buy them for retail, rock the hell out of them, not really worry too much, but more than 350, 400 bucks, questionable. White and black laces, that's nice, because a lot of the Jordan 1s, they're not coming with like replacement laces nowadays, but we're seeing them on these, so that's cool.
I like how they didn't lace them up all the way. I feel like that's how they released like back then. Or I just haven't got a new pair of shoes in a long time.
Whoa, are those Crocs? Wow. Wait, you don't have charms on them yet? No. My buddy sells them.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Where can I find them?
hypebeastrs.com
or Alibaba.
Stupid. Again, guys, this is just a quick rundown of the Lost and Found Air Jordan 1. I'll be doing a review talking about more of the specifics, more of the quality on the leather and all that stuff in the next video. But in this video, we just want to give our initial impressions. I'm sorry if we sound ungrateful. I'm sorry if we didn't like the shoe, but we're just giving our honest opinion, really. I mean, this shoe is cool, but it's not worth $1,500 certainly, and even 400 plus might be pushing it. So hopefully you guys are able to cop this pair for under 400 bucks when they actually release on the 19th of November. Until then, we're gonna have to wait and see. But StockX prices are dropping, so that's good. Let me know what your predictions are. How much do you guys think these are gonna go for? Drop a comment down below. Are these still a cop or drop for you? Don't let our initial impressions or reactions sway you in any certain way. Just let me know how you guys are feeling about them. David Got Kicks, are you copping?
I am copping for retail. If it's $5 over retail, I'm not paying that. Why do I need 2 pairs of Chicago's? Like I already have.
Oh, actually, yeah, that's true.
I already have this amazing pair right here. So if I could get them for retail or even under, I doubt it, then I'll get them. But I'm not paying. I don't need another pair. But that's just me. That's just me. Sorry, I don't know. I'm not trying to sound like that. But for retail only.
Retail for only me. For Mr. David Got Kicks.
Yeah.
And for me, I'm down to purchase as long as it's not over $350-ish, depending on how I'm feeling. But yeah, man, that's going to close this video up right here. Again, just a quick unboxing. We'll catch you guys very soon for the actual review in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to check out David Got Kicks. He's dropping a video very soon.
Wait, when is this going live?
Tomorrow.
Okay, so yeah, soon.
Okay, bye.
Okay, we done? Can I go back home?
Dude, I gotta ship these back to Alibaba. No, for real.
Wait, no, for real. You said you're looking for a pair?
For a pair of what?
I have a pair I might be selling.
A pair of what?
94s.
94s?
You said you pay $350 for those, so you'd probably pay a little more for these.
But I gave these to you.
Yeah.
Could you do like 400?
Meet me at 5.
500 is kind of like
They're
cheap.
repainted.
I know, but they're 94s.
But they're repainted.
I'll do 600.
Some dumbass repainted them.
What an idiot. Who the hell would repaint a pair of 94 Air Jordan Chicago 1s?
I don't know.
That's like painting over history. That's really stupid. Honestly.
Yeah. Oh. I actually grew up.
Wait, are you recording?
No.
It's not recording.
I'm not.
Oh,